Pantry in a small space idea is your wonderful, useful milk crate. And I've learned that pint jars, you can actually fit 24 to 26 of them depending on whether they're wide mouth or regular mouth jars in one of these. Okay, so we've got 3, 6, 9, 12 bottom layer, and then I put a piece of cardboard, and we can add a second layer. For a total of 24. Now I'm not going to fill this up right now, but as you can see they are stackable, and that makes for another awesome small space pantry idea. This can either go, you can put 2, 3 high in a closet without any difficulty at all. And that's, the milk crate is solid enough and strong enough that it can take 24 pint jars that are full of produce. That there are milk crates that they have come up with that are foldable, expandable. I would not trust them with full of produce, but for empty jars they're fine. So, but even for empties, I use the milk crates to store my pint jars. Even just for putting them away and hauling them back out to a dishwasher one at a time takes a bit of effort, but in this case you can store and bring to the dishwasher 24 at a time. So there you have it. And as I said, these can be stacked a couple high with absolutely no issues. So there you have it, another small space pantry idea. Have a good day.